Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the sum of first 20 terms common between the series this and this. So, you have to find out the sum of first 20 common terms. Okay. So, look at this series, first series. So, 3, 4, 7, 4, 11, 4, 15. This means they are in AP. Now look at this idea. 1, 6, 11, 16. If you'll observe, this is also in AP. So we have to find out the common series. Okay. For common series, we have to first find out the common element. So if you'll observe, directly you can find out the common element 11. Okay. So we got our A. So we got A as 11. Now we have to find out the common difference. You know that the common difference will be taken as the LCM of D1 and D2. Correct? Now what is D1? So it is 4. So LCM of 4 and 5. So it will become what? 20. The common difference becomes 20. Now you got your common series, which will be an AP whose first term will be A and the common difference will be 20. Now what we have to do? We have to find out S20. So S20 means what? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Common difference is 20. Okay. Now if you'll observe, I can eliminate. I will take 2 common from the bracket. Okay. So if we will be left with this thing on, this thing will become 10. Okay. Now it is 20. We have 11 plus this is 19. 19 means what? 190, because it has to be multiplied by 10. So it will become 20 into 102. Okay. So it is 4020. Therefore the required sum is 4020. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.